Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the unreleased bodysuit on Dress to Impress. So it was supposed to be released with the ice cream set, but I don't know, I don't think it was allowed on Roblox for some reasons. So I'm just gonna show you how you can do it. It's super simple actually. So I just start with like a white base, you don't really need to. I'm just going to get these sleeves and I'm going to color it this color. It's this one here, so if you want to copy and paste that, do it now. And I'm also going to change the material to glitter. For the top, we are going to get the mermaid's like top first, coloring that the same. Get this top and then select this pattern here, this one, and then make the like material metallic. And lastly, do type 3, or you can like just select leggings for this, and then, well, these are leggings. Select the same pattern and do metallic, and then I'm just gonna add the shoes to it from the ice cream set. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.